Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom smooth sailing, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to be easy and without problems. The IT team faced some difficulties setting up the new software system across the company. We had a hard time setting up the new computer system, but it'll be smooth sailing from here on. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. They were finally making good ground on the drive home. Once we got out of rush hour traffic, it was smooth sailing the rest of the way home. The bank official is happy to get through all the forms with the client. Looks like we've got through all the boring stuff. Now to just get this approved and it'll be smooth sailing thereafter. They were worried the event wouldn't be a success. With all the organizing we had to do, it was hard to think we'd make it a success, but once it got started, it was smooth sailing and very enjoyable. Here are some further examples, starting with professional situations. It's their first day in their new job. Their new colleague says, "Don't worry. Once you get past the training modules, it's pretty much smooth sailing afterwards." There seems to be a bit of confusion in the business deal. So far, things have gone well, but now they've taken a slight turn. We need to get this back on track and it'll be smooth sailing again. She finally created a financially free life for herself and her family. I worked hard to create many different income streams to ensure my future would be smooth sailing. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.